Hello, welcome to She Chef Drinks. I know it's been a little while since I've made a post. Last time we had the delicious pisco sour that hails from Peru. Today I'm bringing you a super special treat. We're doing a drink called a caipirinha. Does anybody know where caipirinha is from? It's from Brazil, right? And I have especially special guests for you today. I've got two of my dear friends that are gonna be going through how to make the caipirinha with us. So I'm here with my friend Andre.
Hello.
He's from Brazil. And then our friend Lisia, who is also from Brazil. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna teach you. I'm not gonna teach you. I got an official Brazilian who's gonna teach you how to make the caipirinha. I'm gonna learn along with you, and I hope you make this drink at home. It starts with a very special liquor that you'll need to get at the store, and it's called
Cachaça.
cachaça. So what can you tell us about cachaça?
Cachaça is sugarcane fermented, and they put in a big barrels, and they just put it in a bottle for us to enjoy.
So it's made from sugar cane, right? So is it super sweet like sugar?
It's not super sweet, it's very spicy because of cachaça and the alcohol. It gets here in the mouth, in the back.
Ah,
It's really good.
so you're gonna feel a little burn on this one, guys. And this is not for a driving day. This is for you've got a designated driver because this is a strong one, right?
It's for a long feijoada day. It has to be a long feijoada.
Oh, and speaking of that, we're having a Brazilian themed day here. So we're also having feijoada. Do you want to show them feijoada? So feijoada is a black bean dish. And it's made with a variety of meats, right?
Yes, sausages, a variety of smoked sausages. What else? The black beans, of course, some bacon to get this smoky, a little more flavor, some bay leaf, pieces of pork, and that's all you need.
Yeah, super simple, super humble dish, but delicious. So we're in for a special treat today. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how to make this drink. All right. Okay, guys. So we're gonna start with the citrus, right? So this is kind of a citrus-based cocktail, but the fun thing about caipirinha is you can add a bunch of different fruits to it, right? So today we're doing lime, and I think we're gonna do an ingredient in Portuguese. It's called abacaxi.
Abacaxi, yes.
Abacaxi,
Caipirinha
right?
da abacaxi.
Also known as pineapple, right? So, and like I said, you can add a bunch of different fruits. We also brought cherries today, so we're gonna experiment. But we're gonna kind of go kind of original with this one. We're gonna add a little.
Okay, first the lime. What you need to do is to cut the top and the bottom of your lime. Once you have both cut it, you slice in the middle. You get this white part out because it's very bitter. Yes.
Ooh, okay.
So that's the secret. So we take this out. We can cut this into quarters.
Okay.
And we're gonna do the same over here. So
So you got to do a little surgery on the lime to get it
yep.
where you need it.
You should have a better knife than I have. There we go. Can save for later.
Delicious. And how many limes are we usually doing per cocktail today?
Per person, I think it's one lime.
One lime per person?
One lime per person, you should be fine.
So it's healthy because you get vitamin C, right? So
Yes.
yeah, it's like a salad. There you go.
This used to be a cold medicine in Brazil. Cachaça, lime, honey, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, you're not gonna feel anything after that. Let alone
No,
cold.
no, nothing. It heals everything. There you go.
So we go through, and we're just quartering up these limes, right? Oh, that's a good juicy one too. Okay.
There you go.
Now, are the limes the same in Brazil as they are here, or do you find they're a little different in the U.S.?
No, they're basically the same, isn't it, Lisia?
We have Tahiti.
Tahiti, which is this, isn't it?
Okay, so that's Bakachi. Now remember guys, on the last video when we were doing pisco sours, I was telling you that the limes in Peru are a little bit different than the limes in the US. So you gotta adjust your recipe slightly when you're over there, because the limes in Peru are a little bit more acidic. So you're gonna get a more tart cocktail. So you gotta balance out that acidic syrup. And watch your fingies.
But this you call in Brazil limão.
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 Not lima.
Not limão.
Do you
Not
have
lima.
lima in Brazil? Lima?
No, lima is the yellow one.
Yeah,
For us, it's limão siciliano.
limão Sicilian.
From Sicily.
Sicilian lemon.
Yeah.
And tell us a little bit about the part of Brazil that you are both from.
We are from a state that is called Minas Gerais. It's very known for this dishes, very strong dishes, with stews and meats and all kinds of porks and chicken
Clara Nunes.
and
too.
Clara Nunes is from there.
There's a song called Mineira.
Let's
and I think it's
do
about Clara Nunes.
Yeah.
let's do 2 at a time.
All right, so we got about, I'd say that's about a whole lime in there. And we just throw them right in the shaker.
And we're gonna add some sugar. I'm just turning them with the pulp face up.
Okay.
So when you throw the lime, you're gonna throw the sugar actually. We're gonna improvise because, you know, this is not a well-equipped home, but we have what we need. So we're gonna use the spoon. We're gonna use this part of the spoon to crush the lime.
To crush.
Yes. And then look at what he's doing there, guys. So he's really focusing on smushing the pulp and not so much the outside, because last time we made this, Andre was telling me that it gets bitter if you do too much of the pulp. Is that right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it gets very bitter.
And we don't want a bitter drink.
No,
We want a sweet caipirinha.
a nice, healthy,
Yes.
tasty, and a refresher.
It's a good way to get out some aggression too.
Yes, if you're angry, you can come and squish some limes.
But nobody's angry in Brazil.
No, we all chill. And we are chilling. And today's Saturday.
Yes, today's Saturday. It's Memorial Day weekend. So got an extra day off of work.
So now we should.
There it is.
Or ice?
Não, melhor você pôr cachaça primeiro.
We put the cachaça. Yes, we have here a coordinator.
Você pôr a quantidade certa.
Não, põe aqui, sacode.
All right. So how much are we doing here measurement wise?
Yes. So we are gonna use
60
a quarter cup
Quarter cup? Yeah.
or 60 milliliters if you are from milliliters land
Metric system.
metric system. So it's 1 per person.
Woo!
Woohoo! Okay, Saturday, right?
So there was about a half of one of those went in there before. So it's,
Wait, so how much?
yeah.
Okay,
I was
that's
gonna say,
good.
Yeah, that's because
That's
I got to watch.
good.
We did about a splash before.
Nobody's driving today, right, peeps?
Nah.
Pôs o açúcar.
Now I put the sugar already and
Yeah, we got our top. And we do a shake, a shake, a shake.
shake. Shake it a little.
So now we have in here, we've got cachaça, we've got limes and sugar. So we're shaking that all together first and kind of making a little emulsion, right? So getting everything Kind of getting to know each other first.
Speaking of Clara Nunes, it's Clara Nunes right there.
Now we're gonna add some ice and want a very fresh. And we want to have all the lime, everything together, right? So we're gonna add in here.
So everything gets poured out, guys. This isn't strained. You go right in. All the things you mix together go in the drink.
And then just one last touch.
Oh, yep.
Shablau.
Shablau. You have to say shablau when you do
Shablau.
it, too, because
Shablau.
otherwise
When
it
I
doesn't work.
That is Shablau. I've never heard Shablau.
It keeps the bad spirits away.
Yes,
Yeah.
go away.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
This is the magic. Now you are ready to try.
Okay. So this is it. Now, do you ever top this with like soda water or just like this?
Just as is.
Usually you have a lot of ice and you wait to melt a little bit because the water of the ice is gonna combine with the juice of the lime and the sugar and the cachaça.
Shake the ice together.
Yes, so since we are running small supplies and tools, we're gonna improvise.
All right.
All right. So should we try it? All right.
Saúde.
So saúde. Saúde. She chef drinks.
Try it,
All
try
right. I'm already. Oh, I started a samba. It's happening. It's happening. I can't control it. It's delicious. It's delicious. I highly recommend you try this cocktail. Thank you so much to our friends.
Thank you, Andre. Muito obrigado,
For hosting
Andre.
us
Muito
for
obrigado,
today and
Lisia.
letting us take over their kitchen and record in their house. So, but yeah, try this drink, guys. It's super easy to make, super delicious. You can make it for a big crowd of people too. But just get ready for a rowdy crowd because it's a strong drink. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ciao, everybody. Ciao, Brasil.